Hi guys, I am doing a diff change on the WL Toys K989, I think it is. I had the original diff cup broke on it on the front. I hit something and it split the plastic. So went ahead and for trying to find them in that, got a cheapy set off Amazon. Like they were, I don't know, a couple bucks, $6-7, something like that. Comes with the bearings and everything. So gonna upgrade those. Already got the one in the front. Just need to button everything up, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna take it out Tuesday night, going over to 10 Scale Garage, and gonna run it over there. So Hallie gave me some drift tires for it, so that's pretty cool. Thanks, Hallie. And yeah, gonna have a little fun with it. Take it over and see what I'll do with metal diffs in it, and actually be 4-wheel drive again, because it was driving really wonky being 3-wheel drive, and not to mention the drive shaft out to the wheel was getting hung up in the suspension arm and stuff, flopping around, and was locking the tire. So gotta expect it. But anyway, so yeah, it's weird working on these really little things, but keeping all my screws and nuts, separate, so I know where they go, and one diff at a time, and go from there. So it'll be fun. I mean, like I said, it's 24 scale or whatever they call them, 28 scale, I don't know. But fun little guy to drive around, just throw it around the concrete and have some fun. So, alright guys, well, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff. Take care, guys. Thanks.